From this video, I would like to explain construction of a quadrilateral help with h is equals to 6 centimeters, L is equals to 4.5 centimeters, angle h is equals to 60 degrees, angle E is equals to 105 degrees, and angle P is equals to 120 degrees. This is the problem from exercise 3.4 from class 8 AP and Telangana state boards. Hi, this is Madhubabu. The problem is construct a quadrilateral help with h is equals to 6 centimeters, EL is equals to 4.5 centimeters, angle h is equals to 60 degrees, angle E is equals to 105 degrees, and angle P is equals to 120 degrees. With these measurements, draw a rough diagram. H is given 6 centimeters. So draw a rough diagram. H, E, 6 centimeters. EL 4.5 centimeters and angle E 105 degrees. So suppose this is 105 degrees. EL is 4.5 centimeters and angle H is equals to 60 degrees. So draw a ray with 60 degrees. And angle P is equals to 120 degrees. Here angle P is given 120 degrees, but with these measurements we cannot find the vertex of P. Why? At least if HP is length is given, then we can find the P vertex, but with these measurements we cannot find the vertex of P. So let us go to analysis. Sum of the angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degrees. So H plus angle E plus angle L plus angle P. Angle L plus angle P is equals to 360 degrees. Angle sum property of quadrilaterals. Reason. Substitute these values. Angle H, that is 60 degrees, plus angle E 105 degrees, angle L we don't know, plus angle P is equals to 120 degrees, 360 degrees. 120 plus 60, 180, 180 plus 105, that is 285, plus angle L is equals to 360 degrees. Now angle L is equals to 360 degrees minus 285 degrees. So finally angle L is equals to 360 minus 285, that is 75 degrees. So if you know angle L, then we can find the P. How? See, angle L is 75 degrees. So if you construct angle L is 75 degrees, then it joins this ray, angle 60 degrees ray, and angle 75 degrees ray joined together at this vertex. So this vertex we can take as P, then surely it will be 120 degrees. So this is the way. So without knowing angle L, we cannot construct the given quadrilateral. So let us start the construction, original construction. Take H is equals to 6 centimeters. 0 and 6. This is HE, 6 centimeters. Here angle H 60 degrees, angle E 105 degrees, and angle P 120 degrees, and angle L 75 degrees. These all are called standard angles. Standard angles we can construct without protractor, otherwise you can use protractor also. Now in this video I am explaining section of these angles without using protractor. See, angle H is equals to 60 degrees. Angle H is equals to 60 degrees. How can we construct? See, take some measurement with the compass. No need to measure this one. Angle H is equals to 60 degrees. So take H as a center, and with this radius draw an arc. Draw an arc. With this same measurement, take the intersecting point of this arc and this side as center, and the same measurement as radius, draw an arc. So this indicates 60 degrees. Now you draw a ray from H through this intersecting point. Take as Hx. Take this ray as Hx. After that we can measure by protractor also. So it is now 60 degrees. And angle E is 105 degrees. Angle E is 105 degrees. 105 degrees also we can construct without using protractor. See, take some radius with the compass up to ending the construction of 75, which measurement will be standard. That is the rule, but you can take any measurement. Draw an arc at E with E as center. With this radius draw an arc, and the intersecting point of side HE and this arc, again you draw an arc. It indicates 60 degrees. And from 60 degrees draw another arc. It indicates 120 degrees. So again from 60 degrees draw an arc. From 120 degrees draw another arc. From E through this intersecting point of these two arcs draw a ray with dotted lines. So this angle indicates 90 degrees, but we need only 105 degrees. So 105 degrees lies between this 90 degrees and this 120 degrees. So 105 degrees lies between 90 degrees and 120 degrees. So at 90 degrees draw an arc. Again from 120 degrees you draw an arc again. So from E Through this intersecting point of these two arcs, draw a ray. Draw a ray. So take as this ray as EY. EY. Then this angle will be, this angle indicates 60 degrees and this angle 105 degrees. Go to 100, this is 105. EL length is 4.5 centimeters. So with compass, take 4.5 centimeters radius, 0 to 4.5. Take E as center and this 4.5 centimeters as radius. Draw an arc. It cuts EY at L. So this is the vertex L. Next, angle L is equals to 75 degrees. 75 degrees also standard angle. So you can construct 75 degrees without using protractor. So take some measurement without measure the length. Take some radius like this. This is the suitable radius for all construction. At L, draw an arc. And the intersecting point of L and this arc, again draw an arc. It cuts the arc at 60 degrees and from 60 degrees draw another arc. It cuts at 120 degrees. So construct 90 degrees now. From 60 degrees draw another arc. From 120 degrees draw another arc. Draw another arc. And from L through this intersecting point draw a ray like dotted lines. This is not required arc ray. We have to construct 75 degrees. This indicates 90 degrees at L. So we have to construct 75 degrees only. 75 degrees lies between 60 degrees and 90 degrees. So from 60 degrees you draw an arc. At 90 degrees, again from 90 degrees draw another arc. So they intersected at here. So from L through this intersecting point, of these two arcs, you draw a ray, that is LZ. So this L angle is 75 degrees and check by protractor. So this angle is 75 degrees. So this is right. And the intersecting point of HX ray and LZ ray is P. In the problem, P is equals to 120 degrees. We will check by protractor. So angle P is equals to 120 degrees. So keep 120 degrees here. So the construction is over. Therefore, the required quadrilateral help help is constructed. Now, steps of construction. First one is draw a line segment HE that is equals to 6 centimeters. Second step is draw a ray HX making an acute angle 60 degrees with HE. Third one, draw a ray EY making an angle 105 degrees with HE. Fourth step is take ES center 4.5 cm as radius, draw an arc. It cuts EY at L. Fifth step, draw a ray LZ making an angle 75 degrees with LE. Next step, the ray HX and LZ intersect at P. Therefore, the required quadrilateral help is constructed. So the construction is over. If you like this video, please like it and share it to those who need maths basics and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.